Hi. So it's 15th of July, and right now we are at 1:30 ish. And one of the things why I'm making this video is the first video we created when it went for this particular breakout. And then, as I said, that we should be waiting for the confirmation of this breakout, and this is exactly the candle which you see over here. And these are all on hourly chart, and now you can see the third candle is also trying to break over here and trying to confirm this reversal which we had. One of the things I mentioned in my earlier video जो आपको upper right hand corner में मिल जाएगी कि going for the volume participation is exactly not what's expected of a multi time frame breakout, right? क्योंकि 15,900 वॉज एटलीस्ट टेस्टेड 4 or 5 टाइम्स, और यहाँ पे हम लोग ये जब ब्रेकआउट आई तो उसमें जो वॉल्यूम है दिस इज मोर देन द एवरेज वॉल्यूम, बट थियोटिकली आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग मोर ऑफ वॉल्यूम। और ये मैंने पहले वीडियो में भी उसके बारे में बात की थी। और सेकंड जो हुई है, दिस इज़ अ गुड कैंडल, इट केम फॉर रिवर्सल एंड इट एक्चुअली गॉट सम बाइंग ड्यूरिंग दिस जोन। लेकिन इसमें प्रॉब्लम ये हो रही है कि इसमें भी वॉल्यूम है। दिस इटसेल्फ इज़ नॉट अ गुड साइन, and till now I would really say that this 908 levels, which was the recent low which was made, अगर ये 908 905 से फॉर एग्जांपल अगर ये इस लेवल्स को फिर टच करती है, देन मे बी पीपल विल स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग, either they will stop out or they will start creating shorts. So going forward I think we have to be very much skeptical, and we should not, I'm pretty sure, मैं अभी मीडिया नहीं देखा हूँ, लेकिन मीडिया TV experts, they are shouting definitely, and they are all telling to buy. But from a chart perspective it looks like, or from a technical analysis perspective, it absolutely doesn't make much sense to along over here. और अगर ये ब्रेकआउट भी हुई और इफ पीपल आर शॉर्टिंग, देन आई एक्सपेक्ट लेवल्स ऑफ 15,800 coming here, because you can see this was the short term level of यहाँ पे जब भी आती है शॉर्ट टर्म में इसको बाइंग मिली है। सो मे बी इफ इट फॉल्स एंड इफ इट कम्स हियर, देन 15,800 or 15,750, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन हाउ मच टाइम इट टेक्स टू फॉल, इफ इट फॉल्स, राइट। सो दिस इज समथिंग विच वी हैव टू सी हाउ इट गोज फ्रॉम हियर। अभी गोइंग फॉरवर्ड डेफिनेटली आई विल ट्राई टू पुट मार्कर at say above 940. अगर ये 940 लेवल्स को फिर जाती है तो देन इट्स अ कंफर्मेशन दैट ये ब्रेकआउट हुई है, एंड देन वी कैन थिंक अबाउट आवर नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स। सो नाउ लेट्स डू अ क्विक एनालिसिस ऑफ which all nifty counters are moving, how positions are getting created, and then we can plan our trade accordingly. So यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि LNT 1600 गई थी और it's trying to maintain, and it's there's some sort of a very small profit booking. और HCL Tech was one of the trades we took in the morning, जो मैं सुबह 10 बजे के मार्केट वॉच में आइडेंटिफाई किया था, and that actually worked like wonders, and it was able to give us a very good move of nearly 5%, and this is also true for Tech Mahindra. But और यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि ITC may be the main reason कि निफ्टी को इतनी boost मिली है. We have HDFC Bank, Hindalco was one of the trades we identified, and you can see it's at a day's high, and this is also true for Wipro. HDFC Life में 700 levels में जैसी ही जा रही है, इसमें थोड़ी सी weakness आ रही है, and Ultra Cement was also some of the one of the trades which we identified in Nifty 50 in the morning. So going forward, अगर हम top quadrant में देखते हैं, so there are heavy weights like HDFC Bank, HCL Tech, Tech Mahindra, Larsen & Toubro, Hindalco, ITC, Wipro. So most of these IT counters are actually driving the market. Now let's see what happens in the middle section. In the middle we have Tata Steel also making some profit booking after making all-time high, and this is also true for IndusInd Bank, also has some upper wick. Axis Bank is also sort of I think the trend is getting weaker, so in Axis Bank, and so people are booking out profit. You can see it from the upper wick. और नेस्ले इंडिया भी एक अच्छी मूव दी, HDFC भी एक अच्छी मूव दी, बट गोइंग फॉरवर्ड हाउ poised they are to take Nifty further. So that's the question, right? So हम यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं कि टॉप ब्रांच हम देख लिए हैं। अभी हम जैसे नीचे आ रहे हैं तो नीचे में भी हम देख रहे हैं कि स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, रिलायंस, it's a very near, it's 2080, और यही हम लोग डिस्कस किए थे कि the only breakout which makes sense is if the big weights are able to maintain. Big weights like Kotak Bank is stuck between 1750 and 1700, और Bajaj Finance में भी कुछ profit booking आई upper levels से, and you can see TCS was also able to maintain its ground. So जो भी weak counters थे, they were able to maintain its ground, और फिर IT आके उसको ऊपर लेके चली गई. And this is exactly why this is a sort of a analysis which you have to do. You have to understand which trends are getting weaker and which are getting stronger. Hero Motor हमने अच्छा शॉट किया था सुबह 2900 से, और ये थोड़ा सा अच्छा ही मूव दी. अभी और भी इसमें वीकनेस और भी बाकी है. दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रू फॉर बजाज ऑटो. वी एक्सप्लिसिटली टोल्ड अबाउट दिस सिंस लास्ट 2-3 सेशंस. इज लुकिंग वीक. ब्रिटानिया इज ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू गेट अ सपोर्ट एट 3450. So maybe this is something which we have to talk about, which we have to think about. और अगर हम नीचे सेगमेंट में एकदम आते हैं, यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं कि ONGC में एक ब्रेक आई, एंड दिस वाज एग्जैक्टली द शॉर्ट ट्रेड जो हमने सुबह 10 बजे से लिया था 118 जब वो टूटी थी, एंड दिस इज एक्चुअली गोइंग गुड. इट्स टुवर्ड्स डे लो. कोल इंडिया ऑल्सो गेव अ ब्रेकआउट ओवर 145. इट्स स्टक बिटवीन 145 एंड 150. सो इसमें भी एक ब्रेकआउट ट्रेड हम ले सकते हैं. वी आर स्टिल वेटिंग. एंड आयशा मोटर हमने सुबह डिस्कस किया था. दिस इज ऑल्सो रियली वीक. सो अगर हम नीचे में देखते हैं, स्पेशली इस क्वाड्रेंट में, यहाँ पे हमको बिग नेम्स फ्रॉम FMCG काउंटर, एंड दिस वाज आल्सो द रीजन जब मैं मॉर्निंग में बोला था कि डोंट गो फॉर FMCG काउंटर्स, बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ दिस हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर, ब्रिटानिया, राइट, all of these names are in this quadrant and they have not moved. And this is also true for auto sector also. You can see Bajaj Auto, M&M, so they are also Maruti over here, and you will see Aisha Motor at the very bottom, and here you will see Hero Motor. So definitely you have no other sector other than IT which is running, or not even pharma. So you can see Dr. Reddy had a great fall, and this was something which we knew already since yesterday. कल रात को जो मैंने वीडियो बनाया था उसमें आप देख सकते हो डॉक्टर रेड्डी के बारे में क्या बोला गया था, and the move was exactly like that. And so going forward, I think you should be taking, so you see Axis Bank has an upper wick, and so is Axis Bank has an upper wick, ICICI Bank has an upper wick. Infi is also facing resistance at 1600 levels. HDFC is again facing levels at 2550 levels. So going forward, I wouldn't be jumping my guns. The only thing is अगर निफ्टी मूव की, the only reason would be that all these counters जो करेक्ट होके जो वीक हैं, जिसमें अपर वीक्स हैं, जो जस्ट like Reliance, Kotak Bank, ये जो भी हैं, they are not falling, and on the top of that, these the big ITs, they are moving forward. So this is the only reason why you can think of a good movement. And yeah, so that's all, folks. And if you want, I can do a quick analysis of some charts, if it is okay, very quick. So the ones which are trending is SCL Tech, LTI, LTTS, NAM India made an all-time high. We were trading it since last few sessions now. L&T is also looking very good. Its positions are getting added. RDC India, we identified, I explicitly tweeted about it at 150, and it went towards 153. HDFC AMC is also able to break 3000, so HDFC AMC would be a very good candidate for our next trade. And Hindalco also is going towards 400. You can see it was in a very tight consolidation, और इसको हमने कल भी डिस्कस किया था कि ये is one of the big candidates which can give. कल हमने कुछ सीमेंट सेक्टर्स कंपनीज के बारे में बात की थी around about at 2 p.m. And Ambuja and Ultra came. These were the two counters. So you can see both of them gave a good move today, solid. It's at day's highs, and this is exactly the advantage of having a trend analysis tool in your hand, where you can actually figure these out in much earlier. SRF के बारे में भी हमने बोला था कि एक बहुत narrow consolidation में है, and it has to give a breakout, and this is exactly what SRF did. ACC is also what was discussed at 2 p.m. आप मेरे tweet में जाके देख सकते हो. Just search for ACC and HPORB. आपको कल 2 बजे का ट्वीट मिल जाएगा जहाँ पे ऑल द सीमेंट सेक्टर्स वर हैविंग पोजीशंस एडेड एंड दिस इज द रीजन ऑल ऑफ देम आर एट डेज हाई राइट नाउ. Emphasis made an all-time high, and so is Axis Bank. So everything is looking really good. And let's do a quick analysis of the week counters. So here we can see ONGC had a breakdown, and this is not looking good, and this is also true for Jubilant Food is unable to maintain above 3150 levels, and so this is weak. RBL Bank is maybe trying to reverse, so RBL Bank is a reversal candidate which we can track. Aisha Moto, you can see there's a very clear breakout and a breakdown, and मैं बोला था 2690 के नीचे short करूंगा, and this is exactly what I did, and the trade is running till now. Navin Florin also made an all-time high, but unfortunately this is a failed breakout, so Navin Florin would give a very good trade for in the short side. And this is also true for Coal India and as well as Jubilant Food also. These structures are very weak structures. Canara Bank, you can see it's very near, so it's in a tight box 150 155, so it's a very near, it's a support region. Any breakdown from 150 is going to have more weakness, and Exide in Industries is also getting shorts added at 185 levels. So in general the market looks good, definitely. So all these small names and small players are actually in this week, but theoretically we should always try to be with the strength. Maruti also is having shorts added, and it was a very good trade. We first traded on the first day when 7500 levels were broken, and then from then onwards you can see right now it's at 7300. So thanks a lot for listening. Hope this video is going to help you in taking the trades. As I always say, stick with IT for now. You have the names LTTS, LTI, SCL Tech, and also NAM India, HDFC AMC, and Lawson and Tublo, and REC Limited. Though REC I have already traded it, and so but going forward also we discussed Wipro. Manappuram is also at 52-week high, and so is Hindalco, very near 400. So thanks a lot for listening. Hope this video is going to help you in finding your next trade. Bye bye.